Found the PSNI.
Well, we have been at the heart of the new policing arrangements in the north, deeply involved in the negotiations which have brought about a new beginning to policing. And we absolutely, totally, unequivocally support the police services north and south. But we have a difficulty. We have a difficulty because we are aware, and not only are we aware, we have been told by senior officers in the PSNI who are good people, who fully support the peace process, who want the peace process to succeed, that there is a tiny number of people in influential positions within the police in the north who are hostile to Sinn Fein's participation in the political institutions, in the peace process, and who have a very bitter and deep resentment at our involvement in the political negotiations which brought about the new beginning of policing. In the democratic process, in the elections that are taking place all over this island in 3 weeks' time, and the decision on the timing of the arrest of Gerry Adams was theirs. Those people who suggest that Gerry Adams arranged the time and the day to go and meet with the police have got it absolutely wrong. The timing was decided by the PSNI, the day and the time. So this is absolutely and totally interference in the democratic process north and south. Our party leader